Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to quickly share files using nearby sharing in laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's go. For this, first make sure that nearby share is enabled on both devices you want to use. To enable it, click on Settings, go to System, scroll down, and now here you can see nearby sharing. You have to click on it. Now nearby sharing, you can see three options: off, my devices only, and everyone nearby. You have to turn on the button of everyone nearby. Now you have to go to your files. If you want to share any files or picture, you have to just click on the right button of your mouse. Now here you can see the option of sharing. Click on it. If your Bluetooth is connected from both of the sides, then nearby sharing will be automatically appear here. Then you have to click on it and share it. So this is how you can quickly share files using nearby sharing in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.